Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. We're taking a quick look at Chainlink here, and as we can see, for some reason this has appeared. I do not know why. As you can see, we're back inside this range here. Again, as I said before, we've got this small range that we formed here. The fake out to the high and the low, retesting the low of that overall range back here. And then you can see we came back into the range here, got rejected a few times, we came back into support. We ripped through the resistance, and then as you can see here, we tried to retest the support, but with Bitcoin having a little bit of a rollover, we've come back inside the range again. As we have many times in the past, we kept coming back inside this range for a good while, haven't we really? Back inside here, and then obviously back inside here, and then we came back inside here again. Probably going to be retesting this as resistance unless we can see a decent move to the upside in the markets for Bitcoin. If we take a quick look at Bitcoin, you'll see the reason that we have seen a little bit of a retracement is obviously with Bitcoin here. Someone dumping like 20,000 Bitcoin on the market, and then since then the past few days has been very stagnant price action. And you can see basically every crypto is emulating this. A dump followed by some stagnation really. A bit of consolidation, low volume, low interest in the movement of the market today. But really there is not that much to say about Chainlink, is there, over the past few days. Looking at the macro here, we are still going sideways in this range. Have been for a long time. Obviously we broke out of that first bear market resistance that I talked about here. You can see the breakout, back test, bounce at the low of the range here. Not really looking like the price action is going to fall much further in my opinion. We have been bouncing on this level here at around, what is it, $5.40, $5.50, in and around this area here at the low of this range for such a long time now. And really I do think next that we are probably going to see Chainlink head back to the top of the range as the next macro move in my opinion, just because we haven't been back there yet, and since we've back tested it here, we've been on the way to the top of the range, haven't we? Obviously Bitcoin having a little bit of a rollover has delayed the progress, but I do think Bitcoin's probably going to have some more upside in it over the next few months, and if that's the case, most cryptos are probably going to continue up to those overall resistances that do need to be tested for them. Specifically for Chainlink, you can see this resistance here in and around that 0.23 Fibonacci and the top of that range. I do think that's the area that we will be heading up to next. And as I said, the way that I'm trading this right now, if we come back up to this resistance and reject, I'll probably put a short position in here just because we've come back inside this range. I do think we'll probably retest this and fall if we do find ourselves getting rejected, but we could just as easily come up here and do something like this. So I'm waiting to see how we react at this range area here. If we do start getting rejected here in a big way, I'll probably put a short position in, looking to target at least this area here, or the low of this range here. But I've also got short positions and long positions at the top and the bottom of the overall range respectively. I'll be shorting if we head up to here and long if we head down to here, because I will be trading this range until we see it break in either direction, as I've said numerous times before. Just waiting to see what happens with the wider market. So that is it for today guys. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please do like and subscribe if you haven't already, and if you do want to support the channel, please do consider becoming a YouTube member by clicking the join button down below. You'll get access to our private Discord where I'm hanging out pretty much every single day with other investors. So if you do want to get an edge on the markets and support the channel, that would be a good way to do so. And I'll see you in the next video.